Welcome back to Zeno Page Builder. Today we are going to learn how to use the product price element. The product price element is a mini element which shows the price for a product on the page. In order to use the product price element, we first need to insert a product element into the page. By default, the product element has some mini elements inside: a product image, product title, product price, and product card button. Let me remove the default product price, and then I can insert a product price element into the product. Select a product to show, and it looks like this. Let's walk through the options the product price element has to offer. First, we have product option that you can select the product to show. Then you can adjust the font for the element, letter spacing, adjust font weight to be normal, to be bold, or to be light. We can make the style to be italic, align it to the left, to center, or to the right. We can change the price color, let's say to blue, and adjust the price font size. We can show or hide the compare price. Adjust compare price color, compare price font size, and compare price distance from the price. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips on mastering Zeno Page Builder.